aerospace engineer. And Dr. Murat Aşkar instead has been instrumental in the development of the Turkish space program since its inception. And I cannot tell you how helpful it is for me as a professor of aerospace engineering to have a rector who is an aerospace engineer, because I think that many of the visions coincide, and it is extremely helpful also to our students. So without further ado, I would like to leave the time to Professor Dr. Murat Aşkar for the message to all speakers. Thank you. Dr. Aşkar, Professor Aşkar.
Thank you, Fabrizio. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me.
Yes, yes, please, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Dear esteemed guests, dear colleagues, dear students, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the workshop on open source space mission design tools. This important international event, hosted by Aerospace Engineering Department and organized by Dr. Fabrizio Pinto, is aimed to bring to university student audience some of the best designers of free open software, source software in the world, presently or formerly associated with NASA or NASA subcontracting companies, for an intense day of in-depth presentations and discussions about free open source software used in actual space missions. Among the tools to be discussed are GMAT OpenFrames, NASA 42, OpenSatKit, OpenMCT, and Cosmos. Also featured will be presentations about the interplanetary navigation program at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory of Caltech, and analysis of solar sail propulsion in space exploration, and of the ongoing light sail program at the Planetary Society. A review of the novel technologies developed at Bell Aerospace in support of the recently launched James Webb Space Telescope and the novel scientific discoveries that this instrument will enable will be discussed. Last year, we have signed a memorandum of understanding with our Turkish Space Agency. A spacecraft research group formed in the Department of Aerospace Engineering has recently taken several steps forward to explore simulations of advanced smallsats missions taking use of novel propulsion and navigation methods. Our students currently use several free open source software tools for mission design, some developed by speakers at this workshop today. Thank you for all the speakers for their contribution. We plan to develop this workshop to be able to reach competitive capabilities in simulations to enable our students to explore realistic small spacecraft and missions in deep space by means of these advanced software tools. This will make Izmir University of Economics a reference point for spacecraft simulations, both nationally and internationally, with unique opportunities to contribute to the Turkish space program, also in collaboration with international partners. I believe that today's workshop will be very helpful and supportive for our students for their education life and beyond professional life. With these thoughts, I would like to thank the organizers, especially Professor Fabrizio Pinto, participants for their effort to make this workshop successful. Thank you.
Thank you, Rector Aşkar. I really are privileged to hear from you, sir.